Okay. Uh, I've been hearing some noises outside of my apartment. Okay. And I don't know what to do, so I basically have all my kitchen knives. And I'm gonna go find out what's going on. Because safety. Safety. We learned as a kid, look both ways before you cross the street. And you gotta stay safe, so second, let's get this. Be some padding. Now I could probably get stabbed anywhere. Dang, I'm gonna have to wash this before we clean the dishes. Alright. I'm gonna go find out what's going on. Alright, guys. We did it. It turned out to just be an old cat. And as you can see by the markings on the knife, the mission was successful. I did cut myself a little bit when I was trying to put it back in. But overall, mission was a success. Thank you for watching. I said